What are you going to make?
Boat.
You're going to make a boat?
Yeah.
You're going to pour some water on it? Go on. There you go. Oh. You going to make a cake?
Yeah.
Go on then, make a cake.
Big. Big.
No, you don't need a spoon. Don't need a spoon. Just use your hands. That's it. That's it. You make it some scrambled eggs for Dad?
Yeah.
Yeah? Go on then, mix it up. Mix, mix, mix. That's it.
Daddy. Daddy.
Yeah.
Daddy.
Is that dinner for Daddy, is it?
Yeah.
Mix it up. Mix, mix, mix. Oh, lovely. Looks good.
Dad, Mommy.
Yeah? Why don't you put some more water on it?
Yeah.
Use the bucket. Here you go. Use the bucket and get some water out of the pool.
Bowl. Bowl. Bowl.
That's it. Oh, lovely. Mix it together. Mix, mix, mix. Mix it together. Use your hands. Use your hands. Mix, mix. That's it. Mix it together. Oh, beautiful, Cooper. Very good.
Dada.
Yeah. Mix, mix, mix. More water. Oh, lots of water. Very good.
I don't know.
Oh, it's falling off, is it?
Yeah.
Never mind. Oh, wow.
Big guy.
Big. I'm going to mix it together. Mix it together.
Daddy.
Mix it together.
Daddy.
Daddy's at work.